forward. Go all the way. Okay. Yeah. A little more. Listo. He's gonna be pulling him. Huh? No, we help him out, but he's gonna be pulling him. Correct, yes.
Alright. So, ¿qué llamó la policía, eh?
I'm assuming, yeah.
Yeah?
50 grand.
Nice.
Man, I don't know why are these shit so expensive?
Huh?
Why are they so expensive?
The setup is so
I
expensive.
have air conditioning.
I know.
Oh, shit.
I know.
That's why you're not suffering, I see.
No, I know.
Oh, that's, yeah, it's worth it all day long.
50 grand, huh? That's priceless, actually.
With the AC?
It's priceless. No vamos a hablar mierda ahora que nos
Yeah,
está ayudando.
exacto.
Hay que decirle lo que sea.
With AC, it's priceless, yes, for sure. You put a principal?
50 grand.
I don't have 50 on me. That's a good deal for the AC. Already set up.
Yeah, I love it.
A ver. Ah, está en el parqueo, pues ya. El asado se jodió.
¿Y esto qué es un iPad o qué?
No, mejor.
Bueno, vamos a tener que montar aquí para la casa. Hey, look, this is a brand new rope.
Pero no, ya, no te. Nunca la usa, que hay carajo que tiene ahí.
Hey, you gotta. Hey, this rope is brand new, man. Hey, you usually don't use the weight, huh?
Ciro, el tipo de wildlife te va a preguntar por el nombre y tu fecha de nacimiento if you don't have your ID on you. Pero no ticket, you know, es un warning.
It's on the other side.
I looked it up already, I looked it.
You locked it?
Yes, I did.
Right, it's unlocked. ¿Y por qué? ¿No está esperando?
Yeah.
¿Tú crees?
Yeah, the guy's waiting for you and him.
Why?
To get your name and his name too.
For what?
For the warning.
What? Hell no, man. You should have talked to
Hey,
me.
but that's lucky.
Exactly.
Normally they impound.
I know, that's what he was saying.
Coming out here twice.
The
That's
guy-
why he knows who the fuck I am now.
He was saying, yeah, you live around the corner. The guy it was nice because we literally talked to him in here when he saw us and we walked out.
Win.
Wait, Chirin, don't fuck the axle.
Win. Use the winch.
That tire is gonna fuck it up. He's gonna fall off that tire,
It's
yeah.
alright. Use the winch.
That tie rod broke, huh?
Yeah, that's. He might be able.
Tie rod?
Yeah,
Yes.
tie rod. You might be able to pull it in reverse.
Shit. I got him all the way up to here. I don't know how. And then I snapped my 4x4 snap.
Mirá, va a ser más fácil que lo jales en reversa. Porque eso se va a joder para carajo ahí. Pero en reversa. Una vez que salga acá, tiene que dar la vuelta. Idealmente. El tipo de wildlife va a cogerte el nombre y la fecha de nacimiento. Para dar un warning nada más, no ticket.
Yo no voy para ahí, para que lo fuera. Me quedo adentro en la valla.
Ok.
No va a dormir ahí.
Sí, pero el tipo sabe que estás acá. El tipo sabe que estás acá, por otro. Él no dio lo que para entrar a rescatarte. Pero no ticket ni nada de eso.
¿Están pidiendo papeles para los y eso?
No, tampoco, no. Te coge el nombre y la fecha de nacimiento nada más. El tipo está haciendo buena gente. Ya, warning nada más. Pero no te dan ni un papel ni nada, es para que aparezca el sistema nada más. Ahí está.
Hey, you can hook it to your bumper, we can go now. Turn around, you can drag this shit right out. Alright, let me untie you. Untie this.
Espérate.
Winch it all the way in.
Espérate, la rueda te está matando de vuelta. Esa rueda se va a caer para carajo. No, y estoy con la gama lisa, ¿qué hace acá?
I've never taken this shit out, dude. I'm so tedious about it. It's like, dude, I don't want to scratch my tints. No.
I feel your pain.
I told the people to fucking swap shop this fucking thing.
¿Amarré bien eso de adelante?
Yeah. It is good enough.
I love that. I love this thing, bro. A mí me encanta esto. The warning is money?
No. Exactamente tu nombre en el sistema now.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, no more warnings. The next time is you're fucked.
Exacto.
Yeah.
Score day. No ticket.
Tú sabes que nos está esperando la policía, right?
Ya le expliqué.
No, I'm just saying that's crazy. That motherfucker got nothing to do.
Hey, if you want, we can turn it off and go to sleep.
I put him to work.
Chao. Pero el tipo sabe que estaba acá, si lo...
Keep coming. A little more. A little more.
What's that beer?
Yeah, we got it. I got it.
We got beer in the cooler. Hold up, I got you, buddy.
I got it. A little bit more. Right there.
He's pulling his ass out there, the least we can do a beer.
Hey.
Let's get you out of here and throw you back to A1A!
Oye, que camine él. Que camine. Or mótate atrás con él. Do not get on that fucking boat.
No, not right now.
Please.
That time's
Ready,
gonna...
dale, gas. Gas, dale.
Hold up.
Go, now, go. Come.
Okay, back it up.
Oye, jefe, ya. Dale, vamos.
All right, you're free.
I say it's a little bit soft for that one. That's a lake in front of you, bro. He knows. Oh yeah, he knows this area. Let him go. He knows.
Yeah, the love is easier. This is the fun part.
I don't want to sink in. Walk it. Which way? Is that way? Yeah, walk it.
Don't fall on the
Like
same...
$1,200 on a Tortuga ticket. If I get stuck down here, I'm gonna be pissed.
Yeah.
Good, right? Yeah. And then jump those logs.
All right, go. You might be better off winching it forward. Hold up.
Hey, I'm telling you.
You might be better.
Ahí yo vine, bro.
Oh, on the left side? Sí, pero he won't even fit through there. In the far left, he won't even fit.
I'm telling you, we can't do it, my brother.